everyone, welcome back to Real English, and today we're going to be doing a vocabulary video about something that we love talking about in England because we have so much bad weather, okay? So rain. We have so many words for describing rain, and we're going to be having a look at those today. So check this out. Alright? Torrential rain. A downpour. To be raining cats and dogs. To have showers. Light rain, heavy rain. To be spitting. Drizzle or drizzling. Snow, sleet and hail. Alright, so what I'm going to try and do is break these up so you can understand them very, very easily. So let's have a look, shall we? Okay, so you can see in these pictures here the rain is it's pouring down. That's another expression. It is literally, or bucketing down. That's another expression that I haven't even put. Bucketing down, pouring down in this picture. Alright, so these are all describing really heavy rain, these expressions. Alright, so the first one is, the rain has been torrential all day. We've had 20 centimeters of rain. Okay, so torrential rain, as you can see here, very heavy, like a monsoon. Alright, I knew it was going to rain, but I wasn't expecting a downpour. So if you get a downpour, yes, it's raining very heavily, but it's usually for 5-10 minutes, so a short period of time, but very heavy rain again. So if you don't have your umbrella, you're in serious trouble. And the last one here, it's been raining cats and dogs for over an hour. I have no idea where this came from, as you can see from the picture, but that's what we say. And as I said, there was another two expressions there, to be bucketing down and to be pouring down. All mean the same thing, lots of heavy rain. I wonder why we have so many heavy rain expressions. Maybe because it's raining all the time in England. Alright, and another one, similarly, is showers. Alright, so this is kind of like a downpour, okay, a shower. The rain is coming down like a shower, okay, so you'll hear this, I guarantee you'll hear this word if you listen to an English weather forecast, because they'll say the weather will be showery all day, which means it's going to rain heavily, stop, rain heavily, stop, rain heavily, stop, like a shower. Alright, so the weather forecast said we should expect showers all morning, and this is a nightmare, because if you want to go out and do something, it means you either stay inside or you've got to be prepared to get soaked. Alright? Okay, so moving on. You'll see in these pictures here, the rain is very light. Okay, so you can see that it's maybe just starting to rain in the bottom picture. And looking up at the light, you can see it's not as heavy as it was before. Okay, so these next words describe when it's not raining very much or it's raining lightly. Okay, so you'll only need your coat because it's raining lightly. It's drizzling outside, but I don't think that it's going to get any heavier. Now, drizzle is the type of rain that it's very, very small, and if you're walking outside, you know, you don't even need an umbrella. You can kind of just feel it. Alright, but if you're walking for a long time, eventually you'll get wet. Alright, so that's drizzle. It's starting to spit outside. You can see the raindrops on the windscreen, in the windscreen of the car, the front glass. Alright, so this is when you know you're outside and you can see it's just starting to rain. It could be light or heavy, but we call this like spitting, like that. Alright, exactly the same. Okay, so let's move on to snow, I do believe. Okay, so let's have a look at all of these. So the classic. Alright, so all of these, as I said, the first picture we know that. Snow, I'm pretty sure we know that, building snowmen and things like this. It snowed so much last night that we'll be able to go skiing. Okay, so if you live in an area where this happens, I think you're very lucky, because I live on an island and I don't think it's seen snow in like 50 years, and even then it was like maybe 1 centimeter. Alright, so snow, the top picture, I think we all know, but now it gets a little bit tricky. Sleet. Alright, so sleet is pretty much when it's raining ice, as I've said up here. Alright, and this means that, you know, that it's not snow and it's not rain, it's a mixture of both. So it's kind of horrible, especially when it's like raining on the roads. It's the sleet builds up and the roads get very, very slippy and treacherous, very dangerous. So sleet is basically when it's raining like mushy ice, alright? And in the bottom picture here you can see hail. And again, here it's raining hard ice, okay, or big hailstones. So usually these are really small, and I love hail because you're sitting inside and you can hear it like bouncing off the window and the roof of your car and stuff, and it's really awesome. It's really exciting. But if you have a look at that bottom picture, especially I think in the US, they can get like hailstones which are like this big, and you can imagine if one of those bad boys hits you, you're going to be out for the count. Plus they do a lot of damage to crops and things like that. So hailstones when they're small are alright. When they're big, problems. Alright? So that was all about the types of rain or precipitation reaching the Earth's surface, if you will, if you want the geographical expression. So here's your little quiz. Alright? So the answers are coming up in a minute, so press pause if you don't want the answers. Alright, so there are the answers. I hope this has been useful, and I hope you can now enjoy the rain, or at least you can describe it. Alright? Bye for now.